Hey Bobby, what are we doing?
Well, we got
Brand new exhaust packing, a brand new exhaust gasket. Did you put that back in the thing?
Yeah.
I want to show them what a bad exhaust gasket looks like. So this is brand new,
Where's the 10?
and this is old. I'll show you when it comes out. I'm going to show you a before video. We forgot to get sealer and tape to do this bitch.
Every time.
Let's see this old one. Our hands are gonna be black as fuck.
God, dude.
Wow.
That is.
There we go. And this is old. New?
God, that is tore up.
Old. Here comes the fun part. Just the tip. Let me see. You almost forgot about this. No, it's gotta go on the pedal first. I'm excited. You excited?
I'm excited.
Dude, this is gonna sound fucking way different, bro.
Yeah, put your fucking boot on.
Hey, compression hurts.
Just look how perfect the seal is now. It's not fucked up anymore.
Why is there a 8mm over